What's going on YouTube? Doing a little walk around. Gonna start off with the actual headlight projectors there. Love them. You can get them off of americantrucks.com. I also got the fog lights to match. Then you got the Raptor grill. Got that off of Amazon for a couple $100. And then I'm running my D679 Rebels. These are the fuel off-road wheels. 20x10 with a -18 offset. And then I'm running some open country Toyo AT2s, 35x12.5 all around. I love them. Got the MMD pre-painted fender flares. They're already bolted on. These are the real deal. These aren't 3M tape. You can see this is a Lariat. And I opted for a 6-inch lift BDS with Fox shocks. Here's the rears. Got a tonneau cover. That's a lifesaver. Now I'm running the Borla S-types. Full catback exhaust. They sound amazing. There's my plates. This is a 5.0 Coyote, baby. But yeah, I mean, this is a truck. Got her back in April, bone stock. And so far, this is everything I've done to it. I also have a cold air intake inside. There's my shorty antenna. And here's the interior. Pretty clean on the inside, except for my junk. Panoramic moonroof. But yeah, I mean, this is my baby. And there's the headlights. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, ask any questions if you have any, and I'll catch y'all later.